just have to upload an image to get started. I'll click on it and I'll upload an image real quick. Now, as you could see, this is an image I found out from Google, right? Now, as you could see, this face has a lot of pimples in it. So now, there are a lot of features here. You don't need to get overwhelmed because we're going to cover every single feature in detail in this particular tutorial video. Now, first, let's get started with the effects feature. If you want to add more effects, you can just come here and you can just select the effect you want and just click on this tick mark if you like this. Just click on this crossbar, X bar if you don't like it, right? And you can choose your favorite effects. Effects helps your image to look in a good way and stand out from the crowd. And it also gives you a real world view, an enhanced real world view, and like it adds a bit of artistic look. So your entire image looks in a great way. Now, let's go through the next stuff. That's edit. If you want to crop this image, in this case, just for a quick example, let's crop this. Alright, it's done, and if you want to undo it, you can just click on undo and it's back to normal, right? You can resize the image, you can rotate the image as per your needs, and like a lot of cool stuff. Now, smoothing feature is really powerful. Now, what does smoothing feature does? There are two types of smoothing. Number one is auto smoothing, and number two is manual smoothing. Auto smoothing works with AI, right? If you have any face, the AI will automatically detect the particles in your face and remove it and smoothen it within a second, within a click, right? So this is how it works. I'm sure, yeah, as it says, no face found on the image. So I think we will not be able to use auto smoothing on this image, but I'll definitely show you another example for auto smoothing. In this case, let's go with manual smoothing. That means you're manually smoothing out the image, right? Let's select the brush size here. Alright, and now let's come to the image and let's remove these pimples a bit. Wow, do you see the difference here? It's done now. Now just click on tick and it's already done, okay? Now you can come on to enhancement and just click on magic enhancement. Now this looks really good because now the pimple is removed and you can definitely try it with your own photos. Now let's increase the highlights a bit here. Let's increase the contrast, or let's like decrease the contrast a bit. Let's decrease the saturation a bit. And this should be really good to go. Do you see this? Like, do you see the difference now? How the image was when I inserted it and how the image is now. This is really powerful. Apart from that, there are two crop options. Number one is object aware crop, and number two is social media crop. Object aware crop helps you crop the particles and separate materials inside the image. Now, if you see this, in this particular image, there are two pieces. One, the image as in whole, and the second, this face. So as you could see, the face is cropped and the whole image is being cropped as well, right? So this is the use of object aware app, and social media crop allows you to crop this image in multiple social media dimensions, right? So let's quickly test it. Now, as you can see, all these images are based on multiple dimensions you can use in multiple social medias. And there's a new option called add a new layer, which allows you to add new text, change the text color and things like that. And even insert an image from your computer or import from Pixastock. Now, let's quickly add a new text here. Let's bring this text here. Let's just type auto skin tone product or something like that, just like a normal thing. And if you can increase the font size if you need. Let's adjust this a bit. And let's quickly change the text color to black. Let's adjust the text color to black. Let's add a background color. Now you can add a stroke if you need, or let's change the background color. Let's change the background color to red color or something like this, or just like add like a light blue. And if you want to add a stroke around the text, you can do it. If not, that's okay, just remove on it. Okay, so this is how this works, and you can increase the font size a bit if we need. wow, this looks really neat and really good. And you can import any extra images you want, like cat just for an example, and there are a bunch of images. You can just click on any and insert whatever the image you want. It's that easy. And as you can see, now your entire image is ready. Now let's quickly see what is AI smoothing, right? As I was not able to show you that in this particular image. So yeah, let's go through that one as well. Okay, for auto smoothing, I have chosen this example, this photo as an example. Now, once I click on auto smoothing, I'll come here and I'll just click on this smooth adjuster. I'll adjust this a bit. Now, can you see this? How this image is automatically smoothened, right? This is the real image, and if you see, this is the image after auto smoothing. This looks really neat, and this looks really good than before. And this is the use case of this entire application. Thank you so much. This is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next